Hey Capricorn. So, getting ready to do your reading. This reading is going to be from the 2nd of October till the 8th of October. I'm not including the first because I've already done a full moon in Aries reading, which is falling on the 1st of October. So, let's begin. Oopsies. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs from the 2nd of October till the 8th of October. Amazing cards. Wow. Great going, Capricorn. Great going. Card at the bottom of the deck, Queen of Pentacles. Oh, sorry, Nine of Pentacles. But she is a queen, nevertheless. She's happy. Um, Capricorn, I feel that you guys ended up in a third party situation and well, somebody needed to walk off from this thing, this situation, this relationship. But I feel you guys are resolving it, even though I don't see another person coming, not as of now. But yeah, you guys felt stuck. You guys felt as if you or your partner, you've got two moving on cards, which is great. You or your partner felt stuck in this situation. It could be a very negative one. But I feel that things are turning. You both are reaching this common ground with each other, and you're finally seeing that whatever turmoils that you went through, your relationship, your love, or whatever that you had with this person is way beyond these challenges, which is a good thing, Capricorn. And once you both decide to go ahead with each other, you'll see that there's some kind of balance that is restored. You're mentally more, what do you call it? Your sanity will be restored. You'll feel better. You'll feel more at peace mentally. Could be somebody from your work. Okay, so there could be some kind of somebody was selfish in this relationship. They felt as if they wanted to just take and not give. But I feel that there's no third party situation involved. I feel it's a reconciliation situation here. You guys felt horrible with each other due to some reasons, and then you decided to call it quits. But now you guys are deciding to come back to each other, move on from that phase of life, phase of your relationship, the negative phase, and together move in to a better space. You need to forgive each other. Yes, you guys are forgiving each other. And whenever you go to sleep, and if you guys are, have had an argument, or if you guys have, had a fight or something, make sure you resolve it in the night and begin fresh in the morning. Do not carry on that energy into the next morning because it's not worth it. Have faith in your relationship, guys. Make a decision whether you want to go ahead with this or not. In case the other person hurt you or you hurt them, um, try and heal yourself because your heart needs to heal in order to go ahead with something and create a beautiful future for yourself, right? I see a beautiful future here for you both. And listen to your intuition. What is your higher self saying? What are you being guided to do? Meditate if you have to, because this has been a tough situation and you need to get out of this because there is no other way around it. A new start is coming. Wow, guys, this is amazing. It's a new moon for you, Capricorn. But it'll only come when you decide what to do, have faith in your decisions, and in case you want to move in with this person or move ahead with this person you're thinking about, you need to forgive them, you need to forgive yourself, let go of the anger, the blame game. Resolve your arguments in the night, don't carry them on into the next morning. Whatever it is, it's beyond, no, it's not beyond, I'm so sorry. whatever it is, it's way less than what you guys had. You guys have a special bond, and it shouldn't be ruined just because of a tough situation. Give it a try, give it a second chance, give each other a second chance, give yourselves a second chance, Capricorn. And you'll know what is good for you and what is not. Because I see balance being restored, I see good things for you, Capricorn. You just need to make a decision. Things are coming a full way. This relationship is coming a full way, um, full circle. Sorry. You just need to have faith in your love and in this connection. That's about it, Capricorn. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.